Alright, boom. I just got some new brake pads and rotors, and I'm gonna head to my job right now. So when I get off, I'm gonna head to the place to install them. So stay tuned. So the people wasn't open yesterday. Well, it was open, but I came too late because I just got off my job. So today I just woke up early, and I got everything in the trunk, like I just showed y'all last time. But I'm finna put my brake pads and rotors on. The slided rotors with the holes on them in the back, and then the basic ones in the front because I couldn't. I'm gonna explain that after I get them. But this is a little before and after, so you can see how it looks. So I'm gonna show y'all. Boom. Like, this is how it's looking. Not looking so good. You can tell it has lines on it, so I definitely need some new rotors in the back. And then these the ones in the front. Doesn't look as bad, but it's pretty bad still. What? You what? You alright, boom. Go past the You're gonna give me like a little POV action.
To take a slight right turn to merge onto I-20 West toward Atlanta.
Got this junk in eco mode because I'm only got 30 miles left on the tank. But especially when you're giving it to a mechanic, especially a mechanic that you don't really know that well, because you know I'm not used to going to these mechanics in like where I live at in Augusta right now. So I'm gonna give this junk to him with 30 miles on it. You feel me? So yeah, let me explain real quick. So basically, the reason why I have slided, I'm gonna get slided rotors in the back and the smooth ones in the front. It's only because I couldn't find.
In about 2 miles, take exit.
I couldn't find any slided ones for the front after I bought the slided ones in the back, bro. Like it's literally that's it. And I was like, damn, I couldn't find. I mean, I see them, but the thing is, I didn't want to pay like $600 or $500 for 2 rotors in the front. You feel me? So I just went smooth in the front, bro. Cause honestly, I looked it up, and they said as long as they're the same on the both side, on the left side and on the right side, I should be completely fine. You feel me? But we're gonna see how it turns out. I never did this, especially on my E46 M3. I never did no mismatch rotors at all. But I got ceramic brake pads, so I guess that's gonna be less dust. You feel me? But the rotors not ceramic, so I don't know how that's gonna turn out. But yeah, we're on the way to the place right now. They said if I come at 9, he said if I come at 8 o'clock, bro, he'll be able to get it done at like in like an hour and a half or 2. You feel me? But as you can see, it's 10:59 because your boy woke up late. You feel me? Like I just got, you know what I mean? I just got off my job yesterday and all that, bro. Nobody feels like getting up when they don't have to. You know what I mean?
Take the exit, then keep right onto Walton Extension.
Yeah, let me know if y'all messing with the mirror caps. Like,
the right lane,
make this junk look way more awesome. You feel me? Way better, bro. Made it to the place, finna walk in right now. Just poke my junk at the back. They got a Kia Stinger in the back and a Classic. I don't know what that is, but you feel me? Boom. So it turns out that for the back, bro, they gave me the wrong brake pads, bro. So I'm gonna be putting a new rotor on the back with the old brake pads. So that means in like a week or so, I'm gonna need some new brake pads before it messes up the new slotted rotors in the back. I'm honestly mad about that because I waited 2 weeks to put this junk on, and now they're telling me that I didn't get the right brake pads, bro. But it is what it is, bro. I'm still gonna show y'all when it's done. They in the back right now, still putting it on. It's been like an hour and a half, but luckily they deducted some of the price because they're not putting on any new brake pads in the back. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to take this L. Boom, they just put them on.
Looks mad clean. You know, slotted brake pads in the back. Normal ones in the front. But we gotta get some more brake pads for the back, cause eBay sent me the wrong ones, bro. Like eBay, bro, count your days. But yeah. We just put the new Rotors on, bro, and the brake pads, or the front brake pads, bro. Like eBay done fucked me up, bro. So probably next week, well, he gave me the ones I got back in the box from eBay. I'm gonna ship those back to eBay and hopefully get the ones I need, and then just go to my homeboy and he probably gonna put them on for like 20 bucks or 15, some cheap, you know what I mean? Cause those people is low-key expensive, bro. Well, everybody expensive, but I need to learn how to do some of this stuff myself, bro. That's like really why this stuff takes long, cause I gotta get the items, then I gotta get the money to put the stuff on. So that's what all these call YouTubers gotta go through, bro. Like, and that's what I'm trying to get tapped in with, bro. I'm trying to, you know, build this junk up for y'all so y'all can see how good this 330i can look. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all another clip of how they look. And honestly, let me press on the brakes, bro. I don't want to ruin these new brake pads, bro. Feels mad smooth when I stop, bro. But I'm not trying to mess up the back brake pads, because I mean the back brake rotors, because those are more expensive than the front ones, and I don't want to get those lines in this one with the old brake pads. But the dude said my brake pads still had some life in them, but they didn't look like they had life in them. He said, "Oh, you're good to go, man. You can just put the old ones back on for now." Nah, bro. They still looked a little bit. They were still thick, but I don't know. I just want the new ones on, bro. So we're gonna get that situated. But let me know if y'all messing with the mirror caps. You feel me? The caps and all of that goodness. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all another clip. I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A or something, bro. I'm hungry, bro. It's like 1 o'clock. I got up at like 10, and they only now just got done. I got over here by like 10:35, and they only now just got done, and it's 1:03. But yeah, I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A. I'll tune back in with y'all in a little bit. Got the Chick-fil-A sitting in the passenger seat with the high seat, you feel me, and the Trident gum. Stay minty. But yeah, we finna go to Kroger real quick. Got a couple things I want to pick up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how these brake calipers, how the new slotted rotors look in the back. I know I already showed y'all, but I want to give y'all another close-up. But yeah, let me know what I should do next. I still got a big old carbon fiber spoiler coming in. I ordered that almost like a month ago. You feel me? I ordered that a month ago, but it still hasn't came in yet because I have to make it. So I think it probably just got done being made, and now it's in the process of about to be shipped, because it should have already been made, bro. It's been a minute. I got a forged carbon fiber spoiler, you feel me? So it should look mad cool. It's not the typical one that people got. I think it's a duck bill, lip, or whatever y'all call it. Nah, it's not a lip, but you know, it's not the typical BMW spoiler. You feel me? I wanted mine to look a little different. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get it. And boom, this is how it's sitting right now. Stock height. You feel me? Like stock height. Everything's stock. But we got some new rotors that's already dusty. Mad dusty. I gotta take this junk to the wash. I just put those on and they already dusty, like less than 20 minutes ago. I put these on and they're dusty, bro. And these dudes was touching my whip with their nasty hands, but that's okay. I guess I'm finna wash it. And here's how the slotted rotor looks. The one in the back is already mad dusty because we put the same old brake pads on. Yeah, bro, like it's already mad dusty, bro. I gotta wash it, and I gotta get new brake pads for the back. But this side looks way more clean. This side is way more clean. I don't know why. But yeah, this makes the car look way more aggressive, you know. Just the little details that people probably don't notice. It just makes it look better. You feel me? That's how it look from the side. You feel me?